From me Nana Kwame Black. Whoa, shit. Ye play. Video be trendy with social media.
Charlie. Hey, Paris, you say na moche. I know me wan kura, and that's market.
I one celebrity be a waba Europe tour. And to be frank with you, me to me funny DNC. I knew Kojun Kansali will win. I will be any no. He was here yesterday about France. I think said the Europe tour no. France and so county. About France Enra Ohodi show with Ghanaians in France. Now the video now trending on. We're making some comments but I was say I didn't know maybe a 2 year because video now I don't think say is the right thing. And most of the time no you so celebrities so. Because video where I made, people can okay, or you start what kind today. No, but flow with that trend, Because me to France, as I'm talking to you now, me France na me basic. If you come to France, at least stars be. I'm giving you an example. Sarkodie Abaha, Sakede Emilia Brobe, Nana McBrown, me know Kasei Kra is in France as of now, or Paris. Enra show ne Kra no. I think said she was there or passing through. Mpanimfo bu be say obi ani ho a osi ne ntoma gu fin ehata abonten eti ama sade we ale we why me di ho ya you know me wo ho ene mada ene me nya calls from pioneers mpanimfo bi na frɛ me say me hu video bi a air trending with social media me drew Ghana kra ma Ghana web for posti say le win AD Ghana for and I say France attempt say France kra no nim say France to say kra say trust me le win me ma 5 hours kra na untimi fan top Paris nyina nwi. What you say? Enti minim how many hours I would ya now de tour and I say would nam baby na unam no. But I'm telling you say France are more beautiful than you think. Say we be hu here no. If you are being frank with yourself, Usi airport or class, I don't know, so the plane or train the buyer. Look at the trainer, baby I walk trainer connected with the bar Paris. Oh, enti untimi hu ade ke to bi. What you say? Now fa and the claim say France nina and you say France to say crass. No. And Pennyphone be I very disappointed in you. And yentimi reverse the time. And show we crank be anka be reverse say sa video need to crank reverse say dia wa maha. Any part do into na buy. Oba so hwe nipa screaming and screaming. Amafo ani age. You understand? Until you do things to make them happy, but video where out there be. Trust me. So I need video pa answer me pa French for and I say Ghanaians in France a chawdia nana case we see why ya you be gina so say trending case because I am for ha say a titu esikafo omo ba kro mu abebo bra e wo krom ha enti sa obeka say France et say Croatia nana France et say asama make catch you o president credit him say France e fe pa ontimi fa France ento to Ghana ho. I'm telling you maybe a Ghana ni but no kre no masa you be catch you. But I hope say see maybe video ya wo hwe kra no when we say now o fa ne sa agro but aje won sem what you say because Ghana web a posti video no it's a honor ye alert me penny for be sending me message they be friend me oh now then and the win it's me abaha yes deliver by some magie ni but afede say we be gu ya ni massacre. It's a very bad thing now you know. I don't know the manager who was with you at that time. I would me a video because na promoters now. Oh yes, I video no na promoters that they will back home and ebi kanwana. Because I don't know. Me nim nipa who could be here, but I'm very disappointed. Say bi kanwa dia. It means a game no. Ya ni biara. I'm telling you. Video where I be. Do you know say ebe block event promoters be chances because sa video we no ebe trendy. Emo bi te ho na pese o kofa ne bakra. I will win crack I say France et say crass. Then they make cover koyede. Which is very wrong. Into the bra. Ye nyina no ye unua but no man twa ye what say ye tene wo. Ye see the o twasa no. Onim say the chia. Enti wo sa ebe ka video. Minim say obehwe bi. Also we are very smart. We have video now apologizing to all Ghanaians in France. And yes idea case we ebe trendy. Yes see ade ye be church ready. At video where we you know, it means say there's a bar hakra, you don't respect the Ghanaians are obe entertaining you. You don't respect them. But these people are paying you. Because baby I'll call you know a very small place in the whole of France. What you say? And then okay, hotel I'll call that a restaurant I did you know. Unye videos in fan by. Oh by so on that bontain. On that hotel. So if BB say no, you need video, at least we are entertainer. What you say? People are watching you. Are we are why you know? Say Obi wo Dokrama France. I don't know. How can this be? But I mean blame you, mom. Because I don't know promoters no. Me, I'm in France here. But really, me need promoters are organizing this whole event, you know. Because this video crowd and kawo you know. So your best show business man. Let me tell you one thing. So before you see na nipa no the open out here. So video we crowd no. I don't know. Maybe think it me bad on thing crowd just like that. But I will say it be a omo organize here the no. Omo ba game ni munche. So they feel say if you are here crowd now, you have the right to do things you want. No, it's just a show business call. So me as a promoter, my best power, the me pen na obey. Because at that time no. Oh, me territory. To be frank with you, that time no, oh yeah media because Sikana wa charge me no, and then I media amount. It's normal me pen na obey. Trust me, baby. What you do, Quine? Lowen. To be frank with you, I call America, I call London. I don't know about Canada. In Europe, I crowd at least what obey 2-3 countries and some over France. Okay, now the crowd, you know, may twa mamo. The Kodjon cancel the win by you know. Is it right or it's wrong? If we say penny for say Nyansa, you need back for between. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Nana Kwame Black, and you are watching Ye Play.